trees. I've gotten a lot of comments about people upset with the trees.
Well, this happens to be, I was not an arborist, but I did own St. Clair Lawn Care for 38 years. So I was involved with a lot of landscapers. And my feeling on these trees were that some of them were the wrong trees planted. And you don't plant oak trees when you only have about 12 feet to a building by. But the sidewalks were raising. The trees had never been trimmed in 30 years. And I was getting complaint from some of the business owners about the trees on their roofs, on the side. So we did contract, we went out for bids, and this was the low bidder. And in fact, it was a bundle. In fact, Mike had a tree at one of his house that one tree trimmer wouldn't even give us a bid on, which was on our right of way, but was leaned over Mike's house. And that same company went in, that was part of the bid package. So, you know, I've heard good and bad. I think some of the trees should have been totally taken out, such as the big oaks. They don't have a purpose in St. Clairsville. I think it's opened it up. I personally like the way it looks, but I've always felt, in talking to landscapers, again, I'm a turf guy, maybe that's why I'm not real dear to trees, because they kill turf, but if you don't trim your shrubs and trim your trees, there's nothing beautiful about it. There's no work involved in them. They belong in a forest. And these trees were never addressed in 30 years. So that's my take on it.